everyone, Chef Yoda the dog here, and it's time for the Monday meal. Today's Monday meal is a soup. Yeah, 'cause it's cold, finally. And it's from our friend Victor at Southern Keto, his YouTube channel, so we're going to link his original video in the description box below. But this is a garlic Parmesan cracked chicken soup, and it was delicious, and everybody in our house ate it right up, and it's gone. It's all gone. But it was ranked as one of the best recipes I've ever made. So definitely give this one a try. Of course, my mom definitely used some substitutions for her allergies. So again, his original recipe is going to be linked in the description box below, so you can see that. But it was still good even with the substitutions. So give it a try. We highly recommend it. Hope you guys have a great week. Happy Monday. Chef Yoda the dog out.
Hey everyone, happy Monday. As Yoda said, we're making garlic Parmesan. See if I can get this out. Garlic Parmesan cracked chicken soup. And we got it from our friend Victor at Southern Keto. So I'm going to put a link to his original video in the description box below. But I want to let you know what we got going so far. So we melted a couple of tablespoons of Kerrygold butter and then a tablespoon of extra virgin olive oil in the pan. And then we put in a medium onion, which is about a cup of diced chopped frozen onion. So put that in there. Once the onion's translucent, you do 4 or 5 cloves of garlic or 2 tablespoons of minced garlic. So I did 2 tablespoons minced garlic. I'm excited already because you know how much I love garlic. We've got our temperature on medium right now. Then you're going to put in 4 cups of bone broth if you have it. I didn't have any more. You can make your own, but I didn't have anything to make it with. I just got back in town, so we're going to use this chicken broth that I have here, 4 cups of that. All right, so now we have added 8 ounces of plant-based Philadelphia cream cheese, so 8 ounces of cream cheese, and a cup of heavy whipping cream. That's what's in there. So we're going to let the cream cheese melt down and then we'll show you what to do. Okay, so now we're adding the chicken. And we added some bacon as well. So bacon, he did like 6 pieces of bacon and cooked them and then chopped them up and saved like 2 pieces and chopped up 4 and put them in there. So I did like 3 teaspoons for every strip of bacon, of these bacon bits. So I did like 12, is that 12 teaspoons for the 4 that he already did. So that's in here. Then chicken, he did 3 pounds of canned chicken. I'm using this one, which is almost a pound, and then this pound of already pre-cooked chopped up chicken from Walmart, like rotisserie chicken. So it's like 2 pounds that I have in there instead of 3, but he said you do as much as you want, up to 3 pounds. Just depends on how much chicken you want in there, how chickeny you want it. So that's pretty chickeny right now, you can see just by stirring it. So that's what we're doing. After you add the chicken, you add the seasoning. So we have a full teaspoon of Italian seasoning, half a teaspoon of smoked paprika, half a teaspoon of salt, we used Redmond's real salt, and half a teaspoon of ground black pepper. So we're going to stir that. So here it is. We added 8 ounces of grated Parmesan cheese. I used the Vile Life vegan. And then I thickened it up with half a teaspoon of this beef gelatin powder. He used xanthan gum. Either way, see, thicken soups and stews, first thing I'll do. And you get it as thick as you want it. So I did that because I wanted it a little bit thicker. But you should be able to see now that it's chickeny and it's thicker. So yummy, yummy. And it's good. I tried it. Very good. Thanks, Victor, for the recipe. And again, I'll put a link in the description box below to his recipe, the original, so you can have that. But this is delicious. Happy Monday, everybody. Happy New Year.